Hey there, welcome to the channel here. I'll show you a project I'm working on. I think you'll like it. So I'm working on what I'm going to call the Ultimate Ice Fishing Buddy. And essentially this is a milk crate with some cool things going on that you can put on the back of your ATV or the back of your snowmobile, which you can use inside your shack, or if you want to run and gun, because we have skis on the bottom, you'll be able to tote this thing behind you and run and gun. Now this thing is going to have aluminum shelf, which is what I'm turning this piece of aluminum into, with the folding shelf brackets that lock out. And then we're going to have these holders here to hold your ice auger and your ice scoop. Cup holders, extremely important right here. It's probably the most important part of the whole thing. And then rod holder that is a quick attach, so you can put it wherever you want or add more rod holders to it. And then headlamps, because I'm going to mount the headlamps. They are rechargeable. I'm going to mount them around the outside of this thing so you can have light on any side, anywhere, whenever you want. And then I've got quick and easy cam straps there so you can easily attach and detach from your machine. So come along with me as I build this thing, get it all put together, and test it out. Let's do it. All right, as you can see, we've got the skis on now. This is our little 360. I've got sticking 1 inch out the back just to provide a little bit more support on this end because there's going to be a little bit of weight back here. So overall it's looking pretty good. Flip it over, countersunk those so they're not sticking out past the skis. I got some pretty fat washers in here, as you can see. And if I feel like it, I'll trim what's sticking out there, which isn't much, but I might still do that. Let's go to the next step. So camera died, but either way, I can still show you what happened. So I'll give you a run around what's going on. Okay, so on this side we've got a cup holder that comes out, folds out, and these extend out and in so you can accommodate whatever it is that you need. We got our holder here, so it'll hold your auger and whatever else you want to put on that holder. And then we have lights on the front here, which angle down and up. And I used mirror brackets so that, which are spring loaded, so that I can remove these and plug them in to charge them and then put them back in when I'm ready. So same thing there. And then if you look at this metal bar, I have carabiners for the rope. So if you're going to pull this by hand, you clip them on both sides and there you go. You can pull it by hand. We'll keep going around. Here's our other cup holder here. Just like so. This is our Eskimo E-hub rod holder, so you can tilt it up and down And you can clip it off and put it on the other side if you want over there. Come over to this side. We have an aluminum plate. This was a door off of a turkey barn, or this was a door number off a turkey barn, aluminum plate. Locks out. I'll show you what's going on underneath. So there's your little toggle to collapse the shelf. And then what's this right here? What could that possibly be? Oh, it's another light. So you can light up what's behind you if you need to. And then I added these extra shelves for rear support. So say you have your electronics on here and you don't have the auger on the front. Well, you don't want this thing to fall over with your stuff on it. So a little extra support if you need it. This is what I did for that. So this is kind of what it looks like when you have just kind of your basic stuff in there. The balance point is where the extension connects. I do have an extension on here. I don't bother taking it off ever, so that's why it's so long. But as you can tell, the weight of it goes right down to the skis, so it's not actually tippy with the weight in there. So that's good. And if you are running this and just leaving it on there, it more than enough balances out. You don't need to put the stabilizers down on the back side. Yeah, that's the basic idea. And as you can tell, it fits just fine. It's not strapped down, but the weight and everything balances out just fine. So the idea here is that you're pulling your sled behind you. You can put this on the back or in your sled, and this allows you to really just, when you're going out, to punk a hole, see how deep it is, find your spot, and basically get quick access to your stuff, and you're not having to bend over to do it. And then when you get to your spot, you can set up your blind, or not your blind, you can set up your ice house. And then if you want to run and gun, you can. You can either leave this on the back of the ATV or click the rope on and just pull it behind you and walk around and do a little run and gunning. And then if you want to do tip ups, this is what I'm going to get some first use out of. I'll fold the table up right there, have my beverages, my stuff sitting there. I'll be able to hang out on the ice, watch tip ups go, and just have a good time. And then of course, my other intention here is when you're packing up, you can get your lights on behind you in your whole work area, so it makes things easier to pack up. So yeah, so I hope this helps you out, gives you some ideas for some things you can do yourself. If you have any questions for me, put them down below in the comments section. If you need anything, give me a shout. I'm always here to help. And then yeah, if you want to like and subscribe, please do. If you like my content, check out my other videos on the channel, and then get outdoors and have some fun. Take care, everybody.